With Lenovo Aura Edition imagined with Intel devices, you have access to SmartCare to help troubleshoot issues and keep your system running smoothly. To access SmartCare, open Lenovo Vantage on a Lenovo Aura Edition device and then click the SmartCare button. You will need a standard warranty to access the base SmartCare features and a Premium Care or Premier Support warranty to access additional SmartCare features. Let's explore the different features available with SmartCare. It's important to note that some features may vary depending on your region. If you have a Premium Care or Premier Support warranty, you can chat with an agent to receive immediate help from a knowledgeable specialist. You can also call support or schedule a time for us to give you a call. With these features, you can live troubleshoot, share files and information, and remote desktop with a live agent. Regardless of your warranty status, Yoga-branded Aura Edition devices have access to Lena Chatbot, a virtual assistant that helps you walk through troubleshooting options. However, this feature is only available in the consumer version of Lenovo Vantage. If you have a standard warranty and want to upgrade the access to the chat and call features within the SmartCare app, click the Upgrade Warranty button. The Explore section is where you can access Lenovo's extensive knowledge base and search from our article library, video gallery, user guides, and troubleshooting and diagnostics tool to learn more about your device or help troubleshoot any issues you might be experiencing. If you need to send your device to our technicians for repair, you can submit a support ticket. At the bottom of the page, you will see options to find your device details, look up parts, and get the status of your repair if you have one submitted. If you are in a situation where you are unable to access your computer, the SmartCare app, available on Android and iOS devices, gives you access to the main SmartCare features and allows you to manage multiple devices. For more information on your Lenovo devices, subscribe to Lenovo Support on YouTube or visit pcsupport.lenovo.com.